In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a payment gateway on Hostinger so you can start accepting payments on your online store. If you're using Hostinger Website Builder to run an e-commerce store, adding a payment method like PayPal or Stripe is one of the most important steps because it allows customers to securely pay for your products. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get your store ready to accept payments in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you're launching a new store, setting up your first product, or finally getting ready to sell online. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and online business tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign into your dashboard using your account credentials. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, you'll see a list of your hosting products and websites. Find the website where you want to enable payments. Next, click on Websites and then click Edit Website next to the site that was created using the Hostinger Website Builder. As soon as you click Edit, the Website Builder editor will open. This is where you can design pages, edit content, manage products, and configure your store settings. Now that you're inside the builder, look for the Store or e-commerce settings section. In most cases, you'll find this in the main settings panel for your online store. Click on Store Settings and then navigate to the Payment section. This is the area where you can connect payment gateways that will process transactions for your customers. Inside the Payment section, you'll see several available payment options depending on your region. Common options include PayPal and Stripe, which are two of the most popular and widely used payment gateways for online stores. To connect one, simply select the payment gateway you want to use. For example, if you want to accept credit cards, Stripe is a great option. If you want a quick and trusted checkout option, PayPal is also widely used by customers around the world. After choosing your preferred payment gateway, Hostinger will ask you to enter the required credentials. These credentials come from your payment provider account. For example, if you're connecting Stripe, you'll need to enter your Stripe API keys. If you're connecting PayPal, you may need to enter your PayPal account email or connect your PayPal business account. If you don't already have an account with the payment provider, you can quickly create one on their website before returning to this step. Once you've entered the required details, double-check that everything is correct, because these credentials are what allow your website to communicate securely with the payment gateway. After confirming the information, click the Save button to apply the changes. Hostinger will now connect your online store to the payment provider you selected. At this point, your store is capable of accepting payments from customers. Before going live, it's a good idea to test your checkout process to make sure everything works properly. Add a product to your cart, go through the checkout page, and verify that your payment method appears correctly. This helps ensure your customers will have a smooth purchasing experience when they visit your store. And that's it. You've successfully connected a payment gateway to your Hostinger online store. Now your website is ready to accept real payments and start generating sales. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Hostinger tutorials, website building guides, and online business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.